So good morning. As you can see, we will be adding products today to our WooCommerce page. What I am going to do is add an additional hoodie. However, you'll notice that I've already logged into my local host as I'm not actually setting up a live action store. So first steps first, we'll go ahead and you'll log in. And then you're going to go to your WooCommerce. And you'll notice that it has a pop out on the side. We're going to go to Home. And once we get to Home, you see you got to store details and add a product. This is what we're actually going to do. You'll notice under Add Product, you have Get Paid with WooCommerce. These are your payment gateways. Set up taxes, set up shipping, set up marketing tools, things of that nature. But the only thing we're worried about right now is adding products. So we're actually going to add the product manually. As I stated previously, I have already added some items. You'll notice that it says product name. Give your product name here. This is a required field. So we're going to hit next. Then product description. So let's go ahead and give it a name. We'll call it the Turkey Bowl. The Turkey Bowl. Hoodie. Okay. Product description, we'll put hand made cotton United States sourced. Period. And next we'll go down to the price. I'm going to set the price at the regular price at $19.99 and sale price is $10.99. Okay. We want to establish it under hoodies. Let's go even further. It's clothing. So we'll just put it under hoodies. Product tag is something that can be used to search for the item. So we'll put exactly what it is, hoodie. Each one is separated by a comma. So hoodie, jacket. Set it as that. And let's look at the inventory. We have it in stock. Sold individually, so we'll set that one, meaning that we can enable this item only be sold one in single orders. Sorry, stumbling over myself. This right here is actually the media link. So we don't need that. We'll take that out from there. And we're going to put it down in the product description. Then we'll move to the product image. So you see here we have product image. I'm going to use a default image. All of my hoodies look the same for that reason. That's what we have set. And product gallery image. And then once we get all that set, we'll go ahead and hit publish. Okay, now it's published. We'll go ahead and go to the actual store. And we begin on the shop page. So it goes on the home page and then it drills down to the shop page. And you'll notice that under clothing we have 5. So we have a Batman hoodie, Big Turkey hoodie, the Darkwing Duck hoodie. And then on page 2 we have the He-Man hoodie and the Turkey Bowl hoodie. Now let's go to the home page again. And you'll see on the home page, new products. We have the Turkey Bowl hoodie, the Big Turkey hoodie, the He-Man hoodie, the Darkwing Duck hoodie, and the Batman hoodie. And that is it. Thank you for watching, and you have a very good day.